Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI TSH CLIA reagent. And this is the front view of the box. You can find the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI TSH CLIA reagent. And these are the content present inside: 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 1.5 ml of calibrator low and 1.5 ml of calibrator high, 5.5 ml of buffer, 6.5 ml of ABEI label, 1.5 ml of control 1 and 1.5 ml of control 2. This is the reference number over here, 13020302 and you can find the manufacturing details over here, and you can see the temperature control 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am placing this reagent kit in the gel pack to maintain the temperature. And you can see the C certified. And now I am going to show you the side view of the boxes. This is the side view. You can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and this is the manufacturing details and brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and you can find the MAGLUMI TSH and reference number 13020302 over here. And now I am going to unbox this reagent kit for your reference. At the top you can find 2 reagent samples. I am going to get this out. You can find MAGLUMI and its volume is 1.5 ml. This is TSH control 2, and you can see the temperature control 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. And this is TSH control 1. These are the 2 controls, TSH control 2 and control 1. I am just going to keep this aside. You can find this is the instruction manual from Snibe Diagnostics for MAGLUMI TSH CLIA kit. This consists of what are the content present inside and precautions. This is the overall instruction manual. I am just going to place this aside. After that you can find a control panel for this reagent kit. You can see the stickering. You can see 4 stickering for TSH control 2 and 4 stickering for TSH control 1. Yes, I am going to place this aside. This is the certificate given by Snibe Diagnostics. I am just going to place this aside. Now I am going to take the this is the reagent kit, MAGLUMI TSH CLIA. This consists of 2.5 ml of magnetic microbit, 1.5 ml of calibrator low, 1.5 ml of calibrator high, 5.5 ml of buffer and 6.5 ml of ABEI label, and you can find the IVD mark over here. And this is the top view. I am just going to show you the side views. This is the overall reagent. In summarizing, these are the overall kit present inside the reagent kit: control 1 and control 2, This is the panel sticker, an instruction manual and certificate from Snibe Diagnostics. This is the overall reagent kit, and this is the stickering for TSH control 1 and control 2. This is the overall product present inside the reagent box. Thank you.